In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel when you need to add multiple rows quickly and efficiently. If you've ever tried adding rows one by one and found it slow or frustrating, this walkthrough will help you speed things up and avoid common mistakes. We'll stay inside Excel the whole time, and I'll describe what you should see so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your Excel workbook and going to the worksheet where you want to add extra rows. Take a moment to identify exactly where those rows should appear. In Excel, new rows are always inserted above the row you select, so placement matters. Now, look to the left side of your sheet where you see the row numbers. Click once on the number of the row where you want your new rows to begin. That will highlight the entire row. If you only click inside a single cell, Excel will just insert one row at that location, so make sure the whole row is selected. To add multiple rows at once, you need to select the same number of existing rows as the number of new rows you want to insert. For example, if you want to add 5 new rows, drag your mouse down over 5 row numbers, or hold the Shift key and click the first and last row numbers in that range. All of those rows should now be highlighted. With those rows selected, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers. A context menu will appear next to your cursor. From this menu, choose Insert. Excel will instantly insert the same number of new blank rows above the first row you selected, pushing your existing data down while keeping it aligned in its columns. If you accidentally insert rows in the wrong place, don't worry. You can press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard or use the Undo button in the toolbar to reverse the action and try again. Just reselect the correct set of row numbers and insert once more. You can repeat this process whenever you need more space in your worksheet. The key is always to highlight entire rows first, and to match the number of selected rows to the number of new rows you want to create. That's all you need to quickly add multiple rows in Microsoft Excel without doing it one at a time. With this method, managing and expanding your data becomes much faster and more organized.